Well, all right, children, family, kids, boys and girls of all ages, welcome back. Today we're still talking about banana bread and fractions. I wanted to bring attention to one of the main ingredients. Can anybody guess what the one of the main ingredients is of banana bread? What is that ingredient? Oh, I know. It's bananas. Chef Numerical likes bananas. And Chef Numerical knows how to bake. And Chef Numerical knows math and fractions. Do you know how many bananas it takes to make one loaf of banana bread? Oh, I just so happen to have 3 bananas here. So 1 loaf, you need 3 bananas. Can anyone guess how many bananas you need for 2 loaves? I'm thinking 6 bananas. So there you have it. For 1 loaf, you need 3 bananas. And for 2 loaves, you need 6 bananas. So this is all in the book called Banana Bread and Fractions, where we talk about doubling a recipe. So that's it for now. You all have a great day. Bye-bye.